Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Apollo for contact data sync into CRM, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Apollo login URL. Press the enter key to reach the Apollo login page. Locate the login fields, where you will enter your credentials. Input your registered email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. If you want to save your credentials for future logins, check the Remember Me box. Once you've entered both your email and password, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to access your Apollo account. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard, where you will find various options. Look for the Settings gear icon, typically located in the top right corner. Click on the Settings gear icon to open the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, locate and select the Integrations option. In the Integrations section, find the CRM you wish to sync with Apollo. Once you've found your CRM, click on the Connect or Sync button next to it. Follow the prompts to authorize and complete the integration process. You may be required to enter your CRM login credentials for verification. After successful verification, the sync process will begin. Check the synchronization status to ensure your contact data is being transferred successfully. Once the sync is complete, return to the dashboard to verify your contact data. You can now manage and utilize your synchronized contact data within your CRM. For future logins, simply repeat the initial login steps to access your Apollo account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.